Yes, there have been large number of MLAs from Garo Hills, but as I said, we have 4 berths have gone to Garo Hills, and 8 ministers are there from Khasi Hills and Jylla Hills. But we are trying to balance things out. We know that, of course, everybody will have their desire and to represent the district or the region, but it's not always possible because we have limitations. And therefore, I don't encourage that it has to be seen that way all the time, that because it's been 18 here and 4 here. These concerns are there, and I don't say that they are not important. They are important. But at the end of the day, while we form a government and we work for the government, we have to keep in mind that at the end of the day, it is really about what is in the best interest of the state. And that should be the primary criteria to decide on how we move forward. And other criteria also should be taken into consideration. But at the end, the top priority is whatever is or what is in the best interest of the state. See, when the time comes, we will discuss this matter. But yes, obviously, the representation of the NPP in the cabinet is maybe not as much as one would want it to be, because, as I said, the numbers are large. But as I said, we have certain circumstances under which we have to work, and we'll have to sometimes make adjustments, and that's what we have done. But we will definitely explore the option of that also in the future.